Okay, we have Malomzzy, and it's very impressive. He's all the way from Savannah region. Great performance. I could see the energy in him, and like it's superb. Wulanyale, about you coming down from Savannah region to support Vansigadam in his album.
Yeah, it's mad, it's mad. You know, we are all artists, and I don't know that they all need help from Vansigadam. So you all have to support, and you have to come in numbers so we can support our brother. Just to send our name like very high, you know.
Okay, about management, your pledge, I am your contribution for supporting you. Being one my songs to
yeah, your malona, no bar song simple. We MALOMZZY, but not kupela underground. Usuriya so ina the top song, do metim capital top song da. That's still, una kupar management. Mami, without management, actor number sound. You feel a piano, capital. I look at your mama on Kuru. I look at your man, video jumper. Now you now go the audio man release here. Video man now releasing it due to financial stable. Then I could jump so edge big man number. Who come in on top song MALOMZZY the legend. Like a music coach on tone, Sura, you know, that's making it possible.
Okay, if you don't mind sharing your number on social media, I don't boy number in case
yeah, yeah, man, I could put my on 059 5211 394 059 5211 394 and sharp. If you just hit me on, I'll reply. You know how we do it.
Okay, we are grateful. We are grateful to have you on the phone. Thank you very much. God bless.
I hope Tilan are watching me. Now got the video dropping very soon.
Thank you very much for coming. We really